Unleash your inner coach. A booming industry awaits. Have you ever felt that burning desire to help others unlock their true potential? Do you possess a passion for guiding individuals towards a brighter future? If so, then coaching might be your calling. The coaching industry is booming, with people from all walks of life seeking guidance and support. This surge in demand stems from a growing awareness of the transformative power of coaching. People are realizing that they don't have to navigate life's challenges alone. They are seeking coaches to help them overcome obstacles, set goals, and achieve their dreams. As a coach, you have the privilege of making a real difference in the lives of others. You become a trusted advisor, a confidant, and a cheerleader, empowering your clients to reach heights they never thought possible. And the best part, you can build a successful and fulfilling career while making a positive impact on the world. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of both personal and professional growth, then step into the exciting world of coaching. Coaching, empowering others, enriching yourself. What exactly is coaching? Coaching is a powerful process of partnering with individuals to help them achieve their goals and live their best lives. It's about unlocking their potential, fostering self-discovery, and empowering them to create positive change. As a coach, you won't be telling your clients what to do. Instead, you'll act as a guide, using powerful questioning techniques to help them uncover their own solutions. You'll provide support, encouragement, and accountability, helping them stay motivated and on track. The benefits of becoming a coach are plentiful. You'll have the flexibility to set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world. You'll enjoy the satisfaction of witnessing your clients' transformations firsthand. And of course, you'll have the potential to earn a substantial income while doing something you love. Your coaching credentials, building trust and expertise. So how do you become a coach? While there are no strict licensing requirements, obtaining certifications and training will enhance your credibility and attract clients. There are numerous reputable coaching organizations that offer certifications, such as the International Coach Federation and the Certified Coaches Alliance. These certifications provide you with the knowledge, skills, and ethical guidelines necessary to excel as a coach. In addition to certifications, consider pursuing specialized training in your niche area. For instance, if you want to coach entrepreneurs, seek out programs that focus on business development and growth strategies. Remember, your credentials are an investment in your coaching career. They demonstrate your commitment to professionalism and provide you with a competitive edge in the marketplace. Section 4. Spreading the word, marketing your coaching business. Once you've honed your coaching skills and obtained relevant certifications, it's time to spread the word about your services. Marketing your coaching business is crucial for attracting clients and building a thriving practice. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram offer powerful tools for connecting with potential clients. Create engaging content that showcases your expertise, shares client success stories, and offers valuable insights. Networking is another effective marketing strategy. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to potential referral sources. Building relationships with other professionals can open doors to new clients and collaborations. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage satisfied clients to share their positive experiences with others. Offer referral bonuses or discounts to incentivize them to spread the word about your coaching services. Section 5. Brand you, stand out in the coaching crowd. In a crowded marketplace, it's essential to differentiate yourself from the competition. This is where personal branding comes into play. Your personal brand is what makes you unique and memorable to potential clients. Start by identifying your niche. What specific population do you want to serve? What are your areas of expertise? Once you've defined your niche, craft a compelling brand message that clearly communicates your value proposition. Create a professional online presence that reflects your brand. This includes a website, blog, and social media profiles. Use high-quality images, consistent branding elements, and engaging content to create a positive first impression. Remember, your personal brand is an extension of who you are as a coach. It should be authentic, genuine, and reflect your passion for helping others. Section 6. Client relationships, the heart of your coaching success. Building strong and lasting client relationships is the foundation of a successful coaching practice. When clients feel understood, supported, and valued, they are more likely to achieve their goals and refer others to you. Active listening is paramount. Pay attention to your client's words, tone of voice, and body language. Ask clarifying questions to ensure you fully understand their perspective and needs. Create a safe and non-judgmental space for your clients to share their thoughts and feelings. Be empathetic, compassionate, and respectful of their journey. Celebrate their successes and provide support during challenging times. Regular communication is key. Stay in touch with your clients between sessions, offering encouragement and accountability. Provide them with valuable resources and tools to support their progress. Section 7. Ignite your coaching journey. Take the first step today. The world needs what you have to offer as a coach. Your passion, your empathy, and your ability to empower others are invaluable gifts. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back from pursuing your coaching dreams. Start by investing in your education and training. Embrace the power of marketing to share your message with the world. Cultivate strong client relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Remember, success as a coach is not about perfection, but about progress. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and never stop growing. The world is waiting for you to unleash your inner coach and make a difference.